All right, I'm fit to get ready to change the batteries here in my tire pressure monitoring system. I had this pressure monitor system for about a year right now. I bought it on February the 16th, 2019, and the day is February the 18th, 2020. So I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on what I think about this thing. So just sit back and watch. Here we go. Okay, if you can see, one of them is blinking. That's my front right on the driver's side. Whenever it goes to 0, that means your battery is dead. And these batteries gets expensive. I used the 2016. It's a 1632. The 1632. That means it's 16 millimeters across and 3.2 millimeters thick. And I just purchased 4 of those. Whenever it's on 0, that means the battery is dead. And as you can see, I just purchased some here at Home Depot. I bought 4 of them. The total was $21.36. And you have to change these things like every 4 months. The battery runs out really fast. So I'm gonna hit this again. And you see why that one's blinking. Watch what happened when I put the battery in here. You're gonna hear it start beeping a little bit. Let's see. You hear that? I just put the battery in. That detects that the battery, whenever you remove the battery, it stops. So what I'm fit to do is go ahead and change the 4 of them and see if this thing works. I haven't changed the batteries, or it's been dead for probably about 3 months now. So let me see will it fire back up. Okay, I'm gonna change all 4 of them. I'm in the back, and I don't use that special tool. It don't make sense. So you got to tighten up behind here. I just screw it on with my hand. Just really simple. Just screw it off. And then I'm gonna got a link at the top to how to change these batteries. It's really simple. You just pop this off, twist it off, and replace the battery. Simple as that. When you finish, just screw it right back on, just like that. Tighten it up. That's it. So let me go ahead and change the rest of the batteries and see what this thing works again. All right, I got all 4 installed now. New batteries. And I'm gonna look on here. It says, let's see if you can read that. Okay, it gives you the PSI. For the rear, it's 33, and for the front, it's 30. So 30 for the front and 33 PSI for the rear. So let's see what it's reading now. If it's working, it's been over a year. Oh, I'm getting all my readings. All of them at 30. They need to go up a little bit. I guess because the weather, a little fluctuating, a little cool. But maybe if I start driving, it'll get up to the right PSI. But it is working. And it's been after a year. The only thing I don't like is that these buttons here, they starting to stick now a little bit. Like when I hit them, push them in, they don't want to come back out. So maybe I can clean that with some contact cleaner or something. But as far as the gauges and everything's working. I'm gonna have to go through my manual to figure out how to set the Fahrenheit and Celsius. I'll have to look at one of my previous videos. But this is my true opinion of this. I've had it for a year, and I just installed some new batteries, and it's working just fine. And if you want to purchase this, look in the description below. But I don't know if they got this same manufacturer. They may have something similar, but I will have it in the description below. All right, thanks for watching welding and stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.